AI for Beginners, Unlocking the Future. Segment 1. What is AI really? Let's kick things off by answering the big question. What is AI? At its simplest, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that can simulate human intelligence. That means learning from data, like how Netflix knows what shows to recommend, understanding language, like how Siri understands your questions, recognizing images or faces, yes, those Facebook tags, making decisions like self-driving cars do. Fun fact, the term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College. It's been around longer than most people realize. There are two broad types of AI. Narrow AI, like your spam filter or voice assistant, good at one task. General AI, the stuff of sci-fi, a machine with intelligence across all domains like a human. We're not there yet. Segment 2, where you see AI in everyday life. You might be thinking, okay, cool, but where do I actually see AI? Let's play a game. I'll name a real-life scenario and you guess if it's AI. Ready? Unlocking your iPhone with your face? Yup, AI, that's facial recognition. Spotify creating that Discover Weekly playlist? AI again, recommendation algorithms. That chatbot helping you return your Amazon order? Definitely AI, natural language processing. Google Maps rerouting your trip because of traffic? AI with predictive modeling. Stat drop. According to McKinsey, 70% of companies worldwide are either piloting or using AI in some part of their business as of 2023. Real-life example. Let's talk about Tesla. Their cars collect data from millions of miles driven and use that data to train their self-driving algorithms. That's machine learning at scale. Or take healthcare. AI is being used to read X-rays more accurately than human radiologists in some cases. Imagine getting diagnosed faster and more accurately, all thanks to AI Segment 3. How does it work? Let's demystify the tech a bit. Think of AI like a brain, except instead of neurons, it has algorithms. Here are some key concepts. Machine learning, ML. Training machines using data so they can improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks. Modeled after the human brain, they're used in deep learning to recognize patterns. Natural language processing, NLP. Lets machines understand human language, used in Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT. Computer vision. Lets computers see and interpret images. Fun analogy. Imagine teaching a toddler what a cat is. You show them 100 pictures of cats, eventually they just know. Machine learning is like that, except with thousands or millions of examples. Segment 4. The cool, the weird, and the wow. Let's talk about some of the most jaw-dropping applications of AI today. AI-generated art. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E create stunning images from text prompts. You can say, paint me a cat in space and get it in seconds. Deepfakes, scary but fascinating. AI can make realistic videos of people saying things they never actually said. Even presidents. ChatGPT and generative AI. Yup, I use it myself. It can write scripts, code poems, even recipes. AI in sports. Coaches now use AI to track player performance, predict injuries, and create winning strategies. Fashion. AI helps brands like H&M predict trends based on Instagram activity. Fun fact. In 2022, an AI-generated artwork won first place at a fine art competition in Colorado. It stirred controversy. Can AI be creative? Segment 6, should you be learning AI? Yes. If you're watching and wondering, should I get into AI? Short answer, yes. You don't need to become a programmer to be part of the AI revolution. Here's how to get started. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, EDX, and Khan Academy offer beginner-friendly courses. Play with tools. Try ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Google's Teachable Machine. Follow AI news. Subscribe to newsletters like The Algorithm or MIT Tech Review. And remember, AI will be to the 21st century what electricity was to the 20th. You don't have to build it, but you need to understand it. Let's do a rapid fire of fun myths and FAQs. Is AI conscious? Nope, not even close. It mimics human behavior but doesn't feel or think.
Can AI fall in love? Only in movies.
Real AI doesn't have emotions, just algorithms. Is AI always right? Definitely not. It reflects the quality of the data it's trained on. Is AI magic? Not at all. It's math, data, and code, but applied in very clever ways. Weird fact. There's an AI called Replica that people use to chat with and even date. Yep, some users have reportedly fallen in love with their bots. Welcome to the future. If you learned something new, got curious, or had your mind blown even just a little, hit that follow button, leave us a rating, and share this episode with a friend who's still asking, what's this AI thing all about?